Alright folks, what we got here is a 1977 Y82 Special Edition Trans Am. All original, numbers matching. Not the 4-speed W72 car, but it is a 400. It's the L78 automatic TH350. All original. It's dusty, dirty here. We're fixing to do something with it. Hadn't decided if we're going to sell it or put it inside and start restoring it. This is just a little before. I'm going to clean it up a little bit before we get it inside. But it's all original, it's all there. Right now it looks like a barn find. Not even that many miles on it. Get some light here. Oh, what are we saying? 33,756. Brake pedal looks good. I don't know. May have rolled over, but I don't think so, judging by the history we've got here. But yep, pig just documented, all that good stuff. Here's T-tops, you know, needs a headliner, seats recovered, new carpet, little things here and there. Mechanically it's fine. But this is a good candidate to be a driving restoration if we do decide to sell it. Good first project for somebody. First big money project. Because finished, these cars are just going up in value. Alright, well, I'll bring it back whenever I get done.